Okay, so we're back. Working on electric rear blind assembly. Ignore that alarm, it's not anything to do with me. So yeah, it's electric blind assembly. We have it all here. Yeah, I have repaired the gear somewhat. It's in there, you can see. Now, I did have to repair the gear to my own fault. I thought it was jammed and I put a screwdriver in and tried to manually move it. Do not do that, it's not plastic. I don't know what type of gear that is. It's kind of, I don't know if it is plastic on its own, but I don't think it is plastic. So yeah, definitely don't try to do that. I repaired that and it works. I had to use some epoxy hardener stuff, you know, one of the two chemicals, you squeeze it out and you mix it together. Took quite a long time, but I've shaped it and it's working, so, for now at least. So yeah, don't do that. What I was trying to do, I thought of trying to free it up, but it didn't. Anyway, motor works, it's all plugged in, I'll show you in a minute. Gear works, I just had a quick test, it all goes around, it's all smooth. I've put only a little bit of lube on there, it's not too much. There's other lube is all dry. But what I tried to do, which I shouldn't have done, to get out originally, is I tried to manually move it with a screwdriver, and it broke the gears. What I should have done is taken the motor out, taken the gear off, and yeah, but I didn't. So yeah, make sure you do it properly when you do it. So I'm gonna, I've got the new cable for it here for the blind. Hopefully that will get it done and working properly. I'll put it in a minute and give it a little look. I'm gonna turn you off again because, like I said in my last video with garden chairs, in case you're not watching it, is yeah, I'm still short on batteries at the minute, so I'm still using one battery, and yeah, so I shall put that in, give it a quick run, and we go from there. Alright, so the motor got a bit stuck now, but I've freed it up now. There you go. Push it out, and all the way in. Right, I'm happy that works. That's fully in. So that's now fully in. So now all I need to do is put it in the tube into there, and yeah, give that a shot in there. So I'm going to send you off again in when you're back. Okay, I think I'm getting this in my now. Put that in. I've trimmed rope down the side. Now, as I showed you before, that metal pole beneath underneath is fully filled with this rope stuff. So make sure you put it in and let the motor push it as far back as possible before you cut that. Because if you cut that and it's only halfway back and you run out, you need to buy more and whatever. So yeah, make sure that metal tube is fully filled with this. Now, this is the little guide. You got the blind here. I'm going to hold down on this. Bear in mind, this part, the top part, will be screwed into the roof, so this can't get pushed up, which is why I'm giving it some resistance so it doesn't move up. If I push it, oh, wrong one. If I push it, so that it's going to push it straight away. So I need to give it some resistance to pretend that it's plugged in. So here we go. And I think the motor is not the healthiest, but it just about pushes it up. But it works. And then down really fast. So bear in mind this is not screwed in fully, so if I hold it up to the side like that, it's not going to go in. But so it needs to be perfectly in the middle for it to work perfectly. But yeah, and then down. In we go, perfect. Now what I need to do is hoover that, clean this, put it all back in the car, and we're good. But yeah, you get the old hoover out first and actually clean all this. Very, very dirty. Very, very dirty. Look at this. This needs to be clean. Look at the rust. Look at the rust. Actually, yeah, really bad. But you can put it back in anyway. And then when the time comes, it has to come back out again to get the rust done. But that's not for this time, that's for a completely different time. This time I just need to put that back in and see it going up and down. That's what I need to do. It's kind of back in, it's not perfect. And yeah, this does need replacing anyway. It's kind of all bent and whatnot. Yeah, maybe one day I can find a new one of these and Yeah, it needs to be cleaned, but it's back in, it's secure. They are technically the wrong screws, I know that already. I can't remember where I put the other one. It's been so long now since that's been undone. So now it's undone since the headlining, and well, I've not cut it, but remember putting that back in. Yeah, so until I can find the right screws, yeah, it'll be fine. But let's angle you up so you can hopefully see. Here you can see just as about, and let's do the blind and see what happens. There you go. Like I said, I think the motor's not the healthiest, but it works. It picks up, I mean, not in that this car's been sat for 12 years, so there's probably a bit of dirt in there that it needs to clean up and get working again. But you know, it works. It's very nice. And the net's in nice condition as well. So, but yeah, so that is very good news. Going down is really good. Really quick. Yeah, like I'll find a proper screw eventually for it, but you know, for now, that'll do. At least it works. And this battery's about to die, so before the battery dies, I'm going to say thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you like, and subscribe really does help the key in this channel to grow. And once you get this video on the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.